All right, we are starting our trip to where?
Hana.
Hana. We are in Paia right now. We have downloaded the Shaka app to guide us all the way. I'm excited. And we aren't starting too early. We are, what time is it, like 9:30?
It's 9:30.
But you know, we had to come all the way from the other side, so I'm feeling good about this.
It's not snowing like how we saw.
No.
Kite surfing is similar, but different. This relatively new method of surfing uses a
All right, stop number 1 on road to Hana. Julian wants to go swim in the Waterfall, so that's where we're headed. Julian's like, oh, is this jumping into a body of water? Every time, he'll do it.
This morning, after packing up at the Hyatt Regency, we set out for one of the most iconic drives in the world, the road to Hana. This is a 64-mile scenic route along Maui's northeast coast. It is well known for its lush rainforests, countless waterfalls, and ocean views. There are so many places to stop to explore and take in this beautiful, untouched side of Maui. Many people suggest starting early in the morning in order to make all the stops if you're trying to do it all in one day. Round trip is probably about 5 to 6 hours without stops, but this drive is not so much about getting to Hana and more about the journey along the way. With 620 curves and 59 narrow one-lane bridges, this is not the drive to rush, even if you wanted to. That being said, you can't just stop anywhere, as many areas are private property and locals do rely on this single road for their daily commute. I highly recommend downloading the Shaka app to listen to on the journey. It is really like having a local storyteller in the car with you. The app tracks your location along the way and points out cool things to see and where you might want to stop. But more importantly, it lets you know where it is not okay to stop. It also provides great music for the journey and periodic stories explaining the history and culture of Maui. Made it halfway. Stop to get. What'd you get, Julian?
Banana bread.
Banana bread. You got some
Sweet
Maui
onion
onion
chips.
potato chips.
They're raw dog.
What do you got, Gray?
Musubi.
A little spam?
Yeah.
Spam and rice. All right, let's hit the road. We started our journey a bit later in the morning, as we were spending the night at the Hana Resort by Hyatt and making the journey back the following day. We decided to drop off our luggage at the Hana Resort before backtracking 15 minutes to the black sand beaches. We were able to grab some lunch at a group of food trucks right next to the resort. If it is not obvious by now, the food truck scene in Hawaii is legit, and it remained to be our go-to for a variety of delicious food that didn't break the bank. Poke bowl. Get some mahi-mahi tacos. Black Sand Beach.
Walking up.
Walking up, gonna change and go check it out.
Haven't seen any black sand yet. But this was a spot that we had to make a reservation for. Do you remember how it was?
It's basically a pay-per-vehicle. It's $30 for our Jeep to get in. And they give you like a 2.5-hour time clock. So we're in the 12:30 to 3 o'clock. We're a little bit late. It's like 1:11.
All right, I'm changing.
All right.
Whoa. That's one of the best looking beaches I've ever seen. I've never seen a black sand beach before. It's gorgeous. It seems very sophisticated and wild.
So you can go hiking all over there. Yes, and there's a little hole somewhere over there. Stopping at the Black Sand Beach at Wayanapa State Park was definitely a highlight of the drive-in. The contrast between the jet black shoreline and deep blue water is unreal. You can spend your time swimming and relaxing on the beach or take a small hike along the volcanic rocky cliffs. The stop does require a reservation and an entrance fee to park a vehicle, so definitely plan ahead. Crouch now.
That just crashes up against the edge. That's called edge crashing.
That's probably what shot happened. But if Hyatt, Mom, if Hyatt ever buys like the finest next ones, are you gonna travel hack it? I will try.
After the Black Sand beaches, we headed back to the Hana resort and just relaxed. This resort was so magical and peaceful. We'll give you a full review of our time in the next video, so please like and subscribe and you won't miss it. next morning, after a nice breakfast on resort, we made our way back, making a few stops that we passed over on the way to Hana, including an old lava tube that you can find right off the road.
That's quick. Go in?
Can we get a flashlight? Phone flashlights aren't the best for caving.
Do a lot of caving.
No.
It's called spelunking. Go down in.
I don't know if I want to keep doing that.
It's pretty cool. Whoa. That's a tube, man.
The trip back wouldn't have been complete without a stop at a waterfall for some cliff jumping for Julian.
If any of you or your kids like to do adventurous things, I recommend stopping at some of the waterfalls along the trip and jumping off of them. They were my highlight of the trip, so I really recommend doing it.
This basically made them time a boat full of awesome missionaries and families.
The road to Hana offers so many spectacular views and interesting places to explore. We only scratched the surface with a handful of them. Just past Hana, there is an epic hike called the PPY Trail. It takes you through a bamboo forest toward a waterfall into Haleakala National Park. Although it was on our initial itinerary, we opted for a relaxing morning at the resort instead. Our goal for this Hana journey was just to take it slow and stop where and when it felt right for everyone.
So cool, huh?
We definitely stopped and took in some more beautiful ocean views on our way back. We ended our round trip to Hana back at yet another group of food trucks close to the airport.
So what all is on this? Grayson?
I don't know. It's like beef and pork.
Half pound burger, half pound of pork.
What do you think?
Good.
For those of you that don't know, Adam says everything is good, but I think that was one of the better goods.
We will have our Hana Resort video coming out soon, as well as our final stay on Maui, the Hyatt Andaz in Wailea.
every video you're in there yakking.
Not yakking, yep. Also, this is the point where you just mute it and put some really happy go lucky.
That's what I'm definitely, that's what Adam will do. On a beach in Hawaii. Do, do, do.